I'm going to be showing you how to fix Honkai Star Rail black screen. So to fix this issue, the common fixes that you can do is restart the game. Just close and relaunch the game multiple times as the black screen can appear randomly. Or you can try verifying game files. Just use the game's file verification feature to check for corrupted files. You can also try clearing cache. So if playing on mobile or emulator, just clear the app cache through your device settings and you're good to go. You can also try updating your graphics drivers, ensure your GPU drivers are current, and also check system requirements, verify your device meets the game's minimum specs. So the black screen issue often occurs at random locations in game and is typically a game side problem rather than an internet connection issue. So if these solutions don't work, you may need to wait for a game patch or contact the game's support team. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix Honkai Star Rail black screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.